Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Miss Safia Batool, Subject Specialist Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. I welcome you all to the DPS online classes, hoping for you to be in the best of your health and spirits. Dear students, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about the presence of bull in the Indus Valley civilization and the peaceful society of Indus Valley. Objectives of our today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe the presence of bull as the chief insignia of the Indus Valley civilization. Emphasize the peaceful nature of the society of the Indus Valley. Dear students, before we move on to our today's lesson, let's review our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have learnt about the script and agriculture of Indus Valley. In script, we have learnt that the Indus script is the writing system developed by Indus people, and it is consisted of more than 400 symbols. The secrets of Indus Valley civilization would be uncovered after knowing the meanings of these symbols. In agriculture of Indus Valley, we have learned that the majority of the Indus people were consisted of farmers. Different kinds of crops were cultivated here. The signs of different fruits have also been found from Indus Valley. I hope this review would help you to come to our today's lesson. Dear students, our today's lesson has been organized into two parts. In the first part of our today's lesson, we shall discuss the presence of bull in the Indus Valley civilization. And in the second part of our today's lesson, we shall discuss the peaceful society of Indus Valley. Let's turn to the first part of our today's lesson. Dear students, let's begin with the first part of our today's lesson, that is presence of bull in the Indus Valley civilization. In this part of our today's lesson, we shall look at different aspects of presence of bull in Indus Valley, which show the importance of bull for the Indus Valley people. As we have learnt before, that Indus Valley people were nomads who travelled from Sumeria, the present-day Iran, and settled along the banks of river Indus. As they were nomads, the cattle were the main part of their lives. Domestication of animals. Animals were kept on a large scale by Indus Valley people. Animals like cows, goats, sheep, dogs, camels, and elephants, etc. were domesticated by Indus Valley people. But a large number of skeletons of bulls have been found from Indus Valley, which shows that it was the bull who had the most significance among all these animals. Moreover, it was considered the leader of the herd by Indus Valley people, whose size, strength, and power protects the herd. As it was highly valued animal, the Indus Valley people used to worship it. Means of transportation. The trade of agricultural crops and minerals had been carried among the cities and villages of Indus Valley. The toys of bullock carts found during excavation proves that Indus Valley people used bull for transportation. Forms of art. Bull have also been found in various forms of art discovered from different sites of Indus Valley civilization, such as seals, clay and bronze toys, paintings of bull on the pottery. Dear students, after viewing all these factors, we can conclude that bull was the most important animal for the Indus Valley civilization. Dear students, let's turn to the second part of our today's lesson, that is peaceful society of Indus Valley. The inhabitants of Indus Valley were civilized and they led a peaceful life. In this lesson, we shall focus on different aspects or features of Indus Valley civilization through which a peaceful society was formed within Indus Valley. So what we are going to discuss is weapons and tools, army and police, remains of buildings, assassination and plundering, and relations with neighbors and contemporary civilizations. Let's discuss all of these one by one. Dear students, let's discuss the weapons and the tools that have been found from Indus Valley civilization. Weapons or tools have been found during digging of the cities of Indus Valley civilization. These weapons include knives, spears, arrowheads, hammers, fish hooks, and needles, etc. A region where wild animals abound, defense against animals is necessary. So it is obvious that Indus Valley people had weapons to protect themselves against wild animals. Moreover, they used these tools to cut meat and bones, to hunt animals for food and materials such as leather, to scrape the bark from trees, and to chop the wood which was used as firewood. Some tools made of bronze and stone have also been discovered, which were used mainly in the art and craft industry instead of any violence. Let's discuss the army or police of the Indus Valley. The rulers of the Indus Valley had not kept a large army or police. But as we all know, no society can operate without a means of maintaining peace among the individuals. So in this perspective, the Indus Valley people had some form of armed police to protect the public and to deal with the wrongdoers. Same as the remains of buildings of Indus Valley civilization show no indication of battle. Assassination and plundering. The excavated human bones reveal no sign of assassination or killing. Same as no proof was found about plundering or looting, which indicates that the Indus Valley people led a peaceful life. Let's discuss the relations of Indus Valley people with neighbors and contemporary civilizations. The Indus Valley people maintained their relations with their neighbors on the basis of peace. Trade with neighbors was done under barter system. Same as Indus Valley people were on good terms with other contemporary civilizations like Mesopotamia, Sumeria, and Egypt. Trade with these civilizations had also been done under barter system on the basis of peace. These mutually beneficial relations promoted cooperation and peace and discouraged the conflicts within Indus Valley civilization. Dear students, considering all these factors, it is understood that there were no wars, violence, or conflicts within Indus Valley civilization. And these all attributes led to the promotion of a peaceful Indus society. Dear students, let's recapitulate our today's lesson through quick fire questions. And the first question is, which animal had been considered the most important animal in Indus Valley civilization? Yes, bull had been considered the most important animal in Indus Valley civilization. Well done, everyone. Our next question is, what type of people were the inhabitants of Indus Valley? Just think about it. What type of people were the inhabitants of Indus Valley? Yes, they were civilized and peaceful people. Our next question is, on what basis did the Indus Valley people form the relations with other civilizations? Yes, they formed their relations with other civilizations on the basis of peace. Our next question is, were the Indus Valley people indulged in practices of assassination and plundering? Just think about it. Were the Indus Valley people indulged in practices of assassination and plundering? Yes. No proof was found about assassination and plundering in the society of Indus Valley. Well done, everyone. You have done a great job today. Dear students, I hope you have learned some meaningful content today. It's a time for home assignment. Read page number 10 and learn the topic Presence of Bull and Peaceful Society of Indus Valley. See you soon, inshallah. Take great care of yourself. May Allah's peace, mercy and blessings be upon all of us. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.